Website care plans are essential for keeping your site secure, up-to-date, and performing optimally. Without regular maintenance, your website could face security threats, downtime, and poor performance, ultimately impacting your online presence and user experience. CauseLabs offers website care plans that bundle crucial web security and maintenance services. Our plans include premium WordPress plugins, malware scans, firewall protection, and regular backups, ensuring your website operates smoothly and securely. With over 20 years of experience, CauseLabs is dedicated to stewarding your online success. Our skilled support team specializes in WordPress maintenance, handling everything from updates to troubleshooting. Even if your site wasn't built by us, our detailed care plan site audit will evaluate and provide recommendations to optimize your website's performance. Our website care plans can be extended beyond maintenance. We offer add-on services for SEO, accessibility updates, redesigns, and custom development. With CauseLabs, you gain a trusted partner committed to your website's success. Contact us today to enhance your online presence.